FaceTory fam! My name is Janice, I'm the marketing associate here at FaceTory.
My name is Gloria and I'm the head of curation here at FaceTory.
And we are so excited! Excited!
What are we excited about?
Excited
About January?
for the kit unboxing!
Oh, kit unboxing, and I'm excited for January.
So what do we also have, Gloria?
We also have a giveaway!
Yes!
A giveaway to all of you guys watching, and
so we're giving away one FaceTory kit. I know that a lot of you love the subscription and you want to have your friends try too, or you also just want to try it yourself.
Yeah, before you subscribe.
Yes, before you subscribe. So we're going to help you out right here. So if you want to enter into the giveaway, stick tuned till the end and we'll give you more details.
Yes. Dun! Guess what? It's our new FaceTory sheet mask for this month!
Woo!
Isn't it is really pretty. Look at that foil. The metallicness.
Well, we actually have more details about this mask in particular because of our Lux unboxing. So if you haven't watched that one.
Yes, go over to that video or somewhere around. Where are you gonna put it?
Somewhere around here. And then you can hear more about the details of this mask.
Yes.
So the next mask we actually have is the Look at Me.
Look at me.
Look at me.
No, look at me.
Look at me.
So dumb.
Wow, that was an intro to a mask. The collagen mask has hydrolyzed collagen. So basically these are smaller molecules of collagen and it helps to strengthen the skin barrier.
Yeah.
And so, also, look, it has a little water drop here. I love the little water drop.
Legion One Day Mask Pack, and it's the brightening version. We carried one of them before and it was really good. I really liked that one.
Yeah, so we brought another one
back. And we brought another one back, and it has Centella asiatica. Really good ingredient for people with acne prone skin, oily skin, combo skin, and it's good to get rid of like any acne scarring. It actually helps prevent acne. There's also lots of antioxidants and turmeric extract, and that just helps with fighting off any acne because it has inflammatory properties. Packed with so many good ingredients.
So many ingredients.
Yeah, that's a good mask.
This is the NOHJ microliters, and this is the dermal elasticity mask pack. This actually also has hydrolyzed collagen, and it has also bamboo extract. Getting fancy here, and that'll really help to strengthen your skin barriers. And just two amazing ingredients.
Yeah.
And let's just pull this out right now.
Okay,
it's trying to bring out the Gloria cam. Actually the material of it is not too. It's like a thick and also not too thin. And that wraps up our kit unraveling and revealing. Now it's time for our giveaway details. Theme for January is Ready, Set, Glow. Yes, Ready, Set, Glow is basically taking time to listen to your skin, and even if that means like resetting your skincare. And I think a lot of times in just today's society, we keep like layering on skin products without really listening to your skin. So we want to hear from you guys. One way you amped up your skincare routine, one way you chose to listen to your skin, and just share it to the FaceTory community, because always remember this is a community and we want to hear about you guys and all your comments. We read every single one and we're so happy when you guys leave one. So a very happy 2019, and we thank you guys so much for watching, and just keep glowing. Bye!